The word exercise means to practice. Physical exercise is moving your body in some way to practice a skill, to improve your ability to do something. When it comes to being healthy, we mostly hear of exercise as a way to reduce the risk of disease, or to lose weight, or to improve how you look. But the thing is, these are not skills, though. They are outcomes or results. And that focus on externally measured results for the future has led to all the barriers that you can think about with not only exercising, but also eating healthy and managing stress. Why? Because how you exercise or think about exercise changes the relationship with your body. When your body is something you have to overcome and fix or push through a tough workout to get results, you're practicing not listening to and not trusting your body right now. When you believe you can't exercise, but you know you need to exercise to be healthy, your body becomes a barrier. Just the thought of exercise is the practice of making your body a source of stress. Add to that how we use distraction to get through a tough workout and use fear of the future as a way to be motivated to exercise. It's all a practice of disconnection from your body in this moment. We need exercise to keep our body, brain, and heart all able to work together as designed for you to not just survive, but to thrive. The solution is to pause, to stop the madness with all the stuff you hear about exercise that's distracting from what we need most from it. We need exercise as a time to reconnect your whole person so that you can thrive right now, because that is when your health happens. Studies show your body changes your brain. It sets your brain in a direction, and that shapes your attitudes, which forms your mindsets. And those mindsets in turn affect your health. Getting out of the should starts by changing your mindsets. But your mind is not your brain, so this doesn't happen by thinking differently. To change the mindsets about exercise and thus get out of the struggle with motivation to do anything for your health, we need to be able to be in our body in a new way. One that aligns with the way your whole person is designed to thrive. For example, your body and brain change gradually, like everything else in nature. That is why I created a 7-day program to give you a step-by-step way to change these mindsets and get out of the shoulds. It's designed to restore the muscle memory for connecting with and listening to and trusting your body again. By the end of the 7 days, you will have restored the foundational mindsets and embodied the skills that support whole person health and lasting habits for exercising, eating healthy, and managing stress. How do I know it works? Because it's based on both body and brain science together, and it adds what only you know inside. This formula for blending body-brain sciences with inner wisdom is what I call the Be Well Now method. I developed it over years of applying both movement science as a clinical exercise physiologist and motivation science as a health coach, with using mindfulness to help my patients and my clients and myself tap into that inner wisdom. You will find all the information below about how to get started. Get ready to get out of the shoulds and enjoy being well now.